This is the Amazon Kayak surfboard. I'm going to put some sleds on it. Holder, very heavy box, came inside another box. Let's get right into it. Instructions seem ridiculously easy. We'll show you the front and back of that. Comes with 1, 2, 3 for one side. These are the arms, and they are nicely padded. 1, 2, 3 for the other side, and then these are the vertical holders. These are the main holders in which these are going to hold the arms. And then guess what? The only other thing in here is the package of goodies. We'll line these up and show you what you get. Most importantly are these big old screws. These are going to go into here like this. This is going to go into the wall. The other one's going to go into the wall. So installation process begins with where you're going to put this thing. I happen to be outside my house underneath this porch, and I'm going to go directly into the house's walls, which have wood on them. So I'm just going to use the screws it came with. I am not going to use the plugs. I'm just going to use these big old screws. I'm going to use a Phillips bit number 3 for this big bit. And what I'm going to do is just put this thing up. I'm going to guesstimate about 4 feet apart. I'm going to think about like how I don't want to be putting this thing way up high. So I kind of want like the kayak to be this level. And then other things could be a little higher than that. So I do have a level on here. It is magnetic, making it easy. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it up against the wall. I'm going to put it down about right here, making sure these holes are going to line up okay. And I'm going to try to do this just one-handed, no pilot holes. Straight in. Boom! They give you 7 of these screws, just in case you lose one or drop one. You got an extra. That's always nice. I'm going to go about here, and you do want these to be in line with each other. And so what I'm doing, if you could see up here, the house has this little line right here, and I've just so happened to put this at the top of the divot, and so you do want to make sure that that is lined up well, because you don't want your kayak or your surfboards or whatnot to be uneven. This is going to be the fun part. So I'm going to do the lowest one here. And the top holes are the ones that are for these. These are going to be able to hold it. So line it up with the hole right there. Make sure it goes all the way through. And then bam, it's on there. They give you little bolts that are kind of like, they have that wax Teflon. The nut has that so it won't shake off. But this, in and of itself, this is going to hold your kayak. We're going to throw the kayak on, and then maybe we'll layer this thing with a couple different things, put a surfboard on there, and then show you a picture of this thing all put together. All right, here I come. My kayak. I'm going to put it on upside down because this is outside. I don't want it filling up with water. Yeah. Here it is. It's great. I'm going to put the other things on. We'll show you a picture of that. There it is. And so get one of these. Awesome product. Buy one in the link of the description below.